Oh my god, this my ear's so red. Hey guys, I'm back and wanted to show you my outfit of the day because I think I dressed pretty nice today. This is actually my first day of school outfit. I think we're in like the 5th week of school. But I just wanted to show you a belt from Brandy Melville. It's a chain, yeah. Jeans are from American Eagle. Shirt is from Macy's. I went back to school shopping at Macy's and American Eagle, and like, let me just say, Macy's has some really good clothes. The look we're doing today is like kind of like Jasmine, Aladdin? Which one? Aladdin? No. Jasmine. No, Aladdin. No. Wait, who's Jasmine? Who's Aladdin? Aladdin? Aladdin's a guy. Jasmine is the princess in Aladdin. So today we're doing a Jasmine look. I'm going to do like a blue and like a gold. Let's hop into the video. Dude, I literally can't get this off. I don't know where the thing is. I found it. I got it off. This is really satisfying to take off your makeup and see what's underneath, and what's underneath is not that cute, so. Look at that. I'm so red. I'm starting off with moisturizer. I use this moisturizer even when it's daytime. It's Olay Night Cream. I think I realized that these hoops are getting in the way. We're first gonna start with everything on the eye, and then we're going to do the foundation at the end. Just, why am I doing this? I don't know. I'm going to be using pomade today, so I'm just using the Anastasia Dip Brow. I've started doing a new brow technique. I change my like routine every now and then of what I usually do, so I'm just taking clear brow gel. Any brand works. I'm using the Maybelline Brow New York Brow Drama, and I am going to brush all the hairs upward. I let it dry, and then I start putting on my pomade, and I don't know, it just looks better. I just started to brush them upwards, and that's kind of like all I do. Sealing my eyebrows with the Tarte Shape Tape like always. Actually started fangirling over a band called Why Don't We, because they're pretty good and they're pretty cute too, you know. I'm going to conceal my lids, and then we're gonna start on eyeshadow. Now taking the Chocolate Gold palette by Too Faced, I'm going to be using Rollin' in Dough to set the concealer that I used on my eyelid. So for this Jasmine look, I'm going to be using the Ultimate Shadows palette. Starting off with this shade. Blending is the key to having good eyeshadow. Moving into darker shades, I'm going to just start using this shade and like, you know, mixing, going back and forth to get the perfect dark blue. As I go along, I keep taking that Rollin' in the Dough that I used to set my concealer, and I just keep pressing that in to the brow bone. Okay, so as you can tell, I look crazy as hell, but trust me, it looks better at the end. To do a cut crease, so I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm gonna cut my crease off camera because I need to be really close to the mirror. I'm gonna use several different copper shades. I'm using Gold Dipped Famous and Chocolate Gold, and that's this, this, and this. No, not this, this. So this, and this. I'm gonna go do this eye off camera. That took like 5 hours, and now we're not even done. So a new foundation that I bought recently, and it is a really good foundation. Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation, and I'm gonna be putting this on my face today. But first, we gotta prime. So I'm using the NYX Honey Dew Me Up primer because it's just my favorite primer, you know? This is how I apply my foundation. It's pretty weird, but we make it work. Conceal with Tarte Shape Tape. The liner I'm using today is the NYX white eyeliner. It's just a white eyeliner. I'm gonna do a wing, and then I'm gonna do lashes. But actually, before I do this, I'm going to take my NYX Jumbo eye pencil, and I'm gonna put some white. Okay, Now I'm gonna do my white eyeliner and then I'll be right back. This is really bad, I'm sorry, but it gets better. I'm using the NYX Wicked Lashes in Vixen, and I'm also using, where'd it go? The L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I'm gonna put this on, and then I'm gonna put this on, and then I'm gonna put some more of this on. I'm gonna go do that off camera because I look really bad right now. Okay, so I was doing my eyeliner and my lashes, and I decided, you know, this video is going way too long. The highlighter I used today was the Anastasia Amorisi highlighter. And then the bronzer, I used the Hoola by Benefit. I put on this Too Faced matte lipstick, and it's called When in Doubt, and it's just a nude, a really nice nude lipstick, and I really like it. I need a little more. This lipstick tastes good. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. I'm a cheesy ass bitch. I love makeup. Should I make like a video that's not related to makeup? Maybe it's just like sit down and talk to you guys about stuff. I'm not the best at doing that. As you could tell, I barely talked in this video. And I barely talk in person too. I'm just a really quiet person. Fierce. Like I did that. I remember doing that in like 6th grade. That's gonna be my new outro. Fierce out, guys. Fierce out. That's genius. I really need to end this video, like, right now. Have a great day. If you don't have a great day, then I'm sorry.